Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bglam here, and today's video is going to be about the new NYX foundation, full coverage foundation, which is supposed to last 24 hours. I'm super excited to review this because I love NYX. It's one of my favorite brands that I use, and I know they do have another type of foundation called the Total Control foundation, which I didn't like that one because it was too liquidy. So I did sample it at the store, at Ulta Beauty Store, and I wasn't really sure about how I felt about it, so I never actually did purchase it. So this one, of course, I did purchase. So here is what it's looking like, guys. Get a look closer. It's the Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation is what they named it. It's a pretty basic glass bottle, which is cute. It's just simple, nothing too over the top or whatnot. So according to NYX, this is a full coverage foundation. Once again, it's supposedly lightweight, waterproof, and pigmented is what they're saying. There are 45 shades. My shade is Cocoa. I seem to be Cocoa in a lot of different makeup brands. The ones that, of course, that have expanded their line and have more chocolate girl colors, then I can fall in a different range in those ones. But I find that I usually fall with Cocoa with a lot of the different brands, whether they're prestigious or drugstore brands. So apparently I've been hearing some raving about this foundation. I have actually used it once before on a picture I posted on Instagram. However, I didn't fully get to review it because I did the video, I did the makeup. I did my makeup so late at night that I didn't really get a full review where I could wear it out in public for the 5 or 6 hours that they say that this is supposed to last. So I wanted to go ahead and do a review on it versus just a picture, so I can give a full review and just kind of let you know if it moved, if it stayed, if it lives up to its expectation of the 24 hours, and kind of just go from there. Supposedly it also does not transfer, so we're gonna be trying that out too. As you can see, I have a light colored shirt on, so we're gonna see if my shirt stays clean for the night. If not, then we definitely know it's transferable. They're also claiming that this foundation supposedly works on normal, dry, or sensitive skin. I personally, guys, I like the dewy look, so I normally never buy mattes. I feel like they dry my face out a lot, and I feel like they just kind of suck the life out a little bit, so I don't normally gravitate towards matte foundations. But because I really wanted to try this out, I went ahead and got it knowing that it's supposedly a matte. But surprisingly so, when I did do my makeup one night and used this foundation, it actually was pretty nice. I didn't feel like my face was extra dry. So we're gonna go ahead and review it again, or review it really this time. So let's go ahead and put this on our face. So once again, guys, my color is Cocoa. Just says shake well, basically. But we are going to give this a run for its money and see if it is what they say it is. So my eyebrows are already done. I've already primed my skin, which I normally use the Smashbox, I can't think of the name right now. The Smashbox primer. I can't think right now. But that's what I normally use when I apply my makeup in most of my videos. So that's already on as well. So we are just going to go ahead and give this foundation a run for its money and just see if it's about what it says it is. When I wore this before, I felt like the color was a pretty good match. I did like it. Like I said before, I really did like it. And I felt like, oh, wow, this is actually not that bad. So for me, this is really good because it means that if I do decide one day, if I want to wear a matte foundation, that she is going to be my it girl, basically. So this is what it's looking like so far. It blends pretty well. Not bad at all. Like I said, when I put this on, I don't feel like it's drying at all. I actually feel pretty good about it. And don't pay attention to this. I don't know where that came from. Recently at work, I'm just like, nah, my face, no, I gotta do a review. And it decided to rear its ugly head. So we can't do nothing about that because that's hormonal. So Let's see. So guys, and that was just a few pumps. I only put what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think I put 5 pumps, so I didn't really need very much, and it still spread quite well, as you can see. So I don't think you need a whole lot, which I don't usually use a whole lot either, to begin with, no matter what foundation I use. I tend to think that I have okay skin, so there's really not, I don't feel like I have to use too much. I do like full coverage for sure, and because it is full coverage, that's really some of the reason why I don't put too much. But I am gonna put just a little bit more, and it doesn't have a smell. I know people usually ask, well, how does it smell? Which I don't know why, but I'm a smell person myself. So if it doesn't smell good, then I'm like that about my food too. If my food does not smell good, then she is not eating it. I will not eat anything that does not smell good or any type of, any way appealing at all. If it stinks, I'm not eating it, because that means it might be nasty. And I know some of y'all don't agree with me, especially my brother, because he likes chitlins, and I will not touch a chitlin. I'm sorry. I don't care how many people tell me that junk is good. I will not eat chitlins, baby. Just not gonna happen. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got that foundation nice and blended. And like I said, I actually really love it. I think it looks great. I think it makes my skin look very flawless. I'm sure that has something to do with the primer as well. But I love this. I really do. And I'm so really shocked that I like this the way that I do, because like I said, it is matte and I'm a dewy girl. But this is not drying at all. And I've used other foundations, even higher end, that are matte, and I just don't like the way they come out. But this one, I actually really like this one. So now that we got that all on, we are definitely going to try this out tonight, ladies. See if it stays on for the whole 24 hours. Of course, I won't be up for 24 hours, so who really will be able to give you a full review? I don't know. If she's out there in the world, more power to her. But I am getting ready to step out for a few hours. So we will be able to at least wear it for probably a good 5 or 6 hours to really see if it even does its job just for those few hours that I'm going to be wearing it. All right, so like I said, this is what it's looking like. It matches pretty well. I had to match it to my chest to make sure. Like I said, there's 45 shades, ladies, so I'm sure, well, not sure, but I hope that everybody can find their color so they can experience what I'm experiencing. And all dewy girls, don't be afraid, because like I said, this looks great. It really does. On camera, off camera, I really like it. So I'll just show you this a little bit closer how it blends. So I am going to go ahead and stuff out camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. This is what the foundation is looking like, and I'm just looking at it in the mirror. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I got kind of scared, because when I was in the store testing out this foundation, everybody knows they don't have a LED light or nothing like that. They do have natural light, which is what the LED is supposed to be equivalent to. But the lights they have in there can be, you know, can make you think you one color, but you're really something else. So I really have to look. So when I was putting this foundation on, I was like, oh my gosh, like this looks light. And like looking at it now in the camera, it looks like it's fine. It's probably just from my highlight. But I'm not gonna lie, I did get scared for just a moment, like, oh shoot, is this my right color? Even though I've already worn it and it looked just fine, but I don't know what happened, but it made me contradict myself just a little bit, just an eensy bit, but it's looking good. So I went and did the rest of my face. So I'm getting ready to head out, guys. I'm gonna be gone for a few hours. So once I come back from that, then I will hop in front of the camera again so you guys can see if the makeup has shifted, if it's moved, if it looks better, if it looks the same. Basically, we're just trying to make sure the whole transfer and, you know, it's definitely pigmented, so we know that's correct. And we just want to make sure that it's going to last, basically. So I will definitely come back once I'm done with the rest of my evening and show you guys what this whole makeup is still looking like. Okay, guys, so here I am back, It is about 3 o'clock in the morning. I've been out for quite some time. So it's been well over, I believe, 5 hours. Obviously, definitely well over 5 hours. So this is what everything is still looking like. This is what the makeup is still looking like. To me, it still looks very good. I don't really see any problems with it. It was actually raining too tonight, so it's really not even that bad, even in that aspect of the situation. It didn't melt off or anything like that. I did do a little bit of sweating as well, and it still dried up pretty nicely. So, so far so good, guys. So as you can see, it didn't move. It gave a pretty good review. It lasted for those 10 hours. So it's a okay for me. Thumbs up for me, guys. So with that being said, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the foundation. If you've tried it yourself, did you have any likes about it? Did you have any dislikes about it? And just let me know how things are going with it. All right. Until next time, guys. Bye.